It's that time of year to clean the machine, or the week. The machine is making little marks in the gutter, so we're gonna take a wand. I got this from Home Depot. It's flexible, and it's flexible right here. We're gonna grab a new cloth, wrap the cloth around like so. We're gonna tape it. And that way the rag doesn't fall off. We're gonna get some acetone. We're gonna put a little bit of acetone all the way around. Get this wet. And pause the video. Pause. All right, I'm gonna turn the machine on and see this clean rag. So the rollers are spinning away from me. So without using my hands, I'm using the wand, and I just kind of apply pressure. And you see all that? That's pretty dirty. And now it's clean. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shove this between the rollers right in here. Right there. There you go. See, now I'm not doing anything. This is computerized, so I'm gonna, now it's self-cleaning. I don't have to touch anything. I'll give it 30 seconds. I gotta go through and vacuum everything. But I think that's good right there. You see that? I gotta go to the next one. The wand is very helpful because I can reach in there. Right in there. There you go. I'm gonna press feed. Self-cleaning. And we'll have one more. So, very, very dirty. One more roller. So there's 4 rollers to be cleaned. Okay, we're done. And that's how you clean a gutter machine. Maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes. And all that dirt is out of there. It's all the coils that you feed. So they have dirt. We're good to go.